Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to record a phone call from any device or to any device. So with iOS 18.1 you can record phone calls, any conversation you make on your iPhone, from iPhone to iPhone, or from iPhone to Android, or from iPhone to landline, and vice versa, from landline to iPhone, from Android device to iPhone, and so on. So you can record phone call from now on with iOS 18.1. So right now iOS 18 is out to general public, but the call recording is not available on iOS 18. However, it is available on iOS 18.1, and this update should be available in few weeks, and we're gonna break it down in this video, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max and I have iOS 18.1 installed. I got a better version, so we're gonna go ahead and try to make phone calls and then record them. And also I'm going to call myself, and you're going to see that I will be able to record it. So you can record outgoing phone call and incoming phone call. So right now I'm going to start calling my voicemail. So I go to voicemail. So I go to the dialer and I long press to call my voicemail. And now over here I'm going to hide the keypad because you don't see the call recording icon here. So you're going to hide keypad, and on top right corner you're going to see the recording icon. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this, and as you can see it is starting recording. And then the recording will be saved on notes. All right, and I'm going to hang up. Now close everything. It is on note, but I'm going to go ahead and search notes, and there we go. And from here I got this phone call right here. It's been made at 10:24. It's 10:25 right now. So this is my recording, and I'm going to go ahead and play it.
Main menu. To send a message, press 2. To create a greeting, press 3. For mailbox option.
All right, so this is how you do it. So now I'm going to call myself, right? I'm going to call my cell phone, and then you're going to see that I'll be able to record. So if I call this device, this is an Android phone, right? A Motorola phone, Android. So I'm going to call myself from this device. I can also call this device and record it, but I'm going to call myself from this device, and then you're going to see that I will be able to record those phone calls. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and now I'm going to call myself, and as you can see I'm calling myself, and you see the top right icon. I'm going to answer the call first, and you see the top right, you're going to see the call recording icon, right? So I'm going to press in here, and as you can see the call is being recorded. So since I'm inside with this phone, I cannot test the voice. Somebody has to be outside and talk to me so I can record it. But this is how you do it. This is how you record a phone call. So now let me put this thing down, and as you can see, this is how you record a phone call. You can record any phone call. I'm gonna end the call, and then it's saved on note. And now I go to note, and as you can see it here, this is my last phone call that I recorded. I click on it and play. So since I'm inside with this phone, I cannot test the voice. Somebody has to be outside and talk to me so I can record it. But this is all right. So that's how it is. This is how you do it, guys. This is how you do it. So this is how you record phone calls. So this is it, guys. This is how you record phone call on iOS 18.1. That's going to be available in few weeks. on most iPhones, right? So you can record any phone call from or to any device. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.